कोई बात नहीं, वरना आप पीछे आओगे। अभी आप पीछे नहीं आ रहे हो, अभी सिर्फ पिल्लू आ रहा है। Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I usually make fashion and travel content, but now I'm trying to bring in more of lifestyle vlogs and showing you guys what my life looks like. I know most of you are new here, and this is also something I'm trying very different from what I usually do. Being a part of an internship, working 10 to 6, not 9 to 5, 10 to 6, and how I spend my days, how I spend my weekends. So this is also one of a weekend vlog wherein I am working. I'm actually doing some personal work. I will be editing my YouTube videos and doing more of self-care work and self-development work. So it's all gonna be about me today, working on myself, working for myself. So I will be first finishing all of my work, and then at last I'm gonna be awarding myself with a little gumi little travel. I will be taking myself out all alone. It's gonna be fun. That is a conditional thing. Only if I complete my work, only then I am supposed to head out for that. I am already running late on schedule. I was supposed to be doing this at around 9 or 10. Like, we woke up late, and then I and my roommate Didi, we went for a walk and we returned at 10. Let me take my first spoon first. Just to keep it sure that I don't run late on schedule, I would just want to complete my to-do list for today. I'm such a person, I will definitely forget what I'm supposed to do throughout the day. I use Notion to keep a track of all my to-do list. So I schedule all of my tasks for the day. So yeah, here I have my laptop with me, and along with that I have my Rosanna. This is the diary where I journal whatever I do every single day. At the end of the day, I write whatever I did throughout the day. So this is my journal for that, and I call it Rosanna. Her name is Rosanna. And this is my to-do journal wherein I first note down what all things I'm supposed to do for the day. And last night I remember writing all of the things that I was supposed to do today in this journal. So I'll just pick up those keywords and put it down here in this journal. And once I'm sorted with the things and what all things I'm supposed to prioritize today, I will put it down in Notion. I've written, I will finish two most essential tasks tomorrow. One is to visit Shitla Mata Mandir. That is where I'm gonna treat myself. Second thing, recording second vlog weekend, like the weekend vlog which I'm doing right now. Hi, I'm on a mission to finish editing that video today itself so that I can upload it tomorrow or at least till Monday. So yes, there's one more thing to do. Vision boarding. Yes, the most important and the most essential thing. That today is 6th of July and I haven't yet planned the rest of the year, and this is gonna be a long video. So grab your popcorns or maybe just grab your notebook or whatever work you are doing, and let's do it together. Hey you guys, it's 2:30 in the afternoon and I am heading for lunch to my mess which is on the 4th floor. My room is on the 2nd floor. I feel famished and I am just done with the first portion, the introduction portion of the video. It is definitely going to take a lot of time and it's just been 2:30 and I don't know if I'll be able to finish it by evening. So I have plans and you know that, but I will try my best and making it a point to finish it by 6 anyhow because I have another task scheduled for today and even the weather is good. So yeah, I'll just have lunch and get back to work soon. I'm done with my lunch. It was too spicy. It's 2:52 p.m. I finished my lunch in approximately 20 minutes. I'm so proud of it. I did not waste much time having lunch. Now I'll continue working. I am on a mission to finish it today itself, and that I'll work because tomorrow I need the whole day to myself. It is 6:35 in the evening and I have just done half the work of my video editing. Like I am done with the cutting and the trimming of all the videos. I've aligned all of them, I've arranged everything. The only thing that's left to do is to put music and enhance the sound. So yes, I'm halfway through it and I'm actually proud of myself that I did it in 5 hours. Actually 6 hours. And I'm quite satisfied for that thing. But yeah, I'm running late on schedule. It's 6:35 and I was supposed to leave and go on a date with myself to the temple at 6. But yeah, first things first, priorities are priorities and we're supposed to finish that work first. But yeah, I do deserve a break. I've been sitting for so long. So yeah, I'll just meditate, I'll just absorb the evening air for some time and then I'll get back to work. Hey, I just got done with meditation, but I do feel energetic, but I don't feel like working anymore. So just to get myself in the work mode again, I'll quickly shower and then we'll light up a beautiful fragrant candle, make up the mood to work, and then slip into my favorite pajamas and then work. So yeah, I'll see you after the shower. I finally finished editing the video, except for the fact that there are few processes left, background processes which do not need my help, but my laptop is, I think, not supporting it, and my GPU VRAM is full. So I have to restart my laptop. So I put it down, and it's exactly 10 p.m. and I just got over with the video editing. Solo date, it will happen tomorrow, because tomorrow morning before I meet my friend, I am actually heading towards a different temple. The plans got changed. So anyhow, I will be rewarding myself, though it will not be a solo date. I'll have my friends along, but I will definitely reward myself. So I will see you after I have my dinner on my bed, relaxing, visualizing, and writing all my goals for the next 6 months. So I'll catch you in the next 20 minutes.
I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you.
Hello. I had the plans of finishing dinner by in 20 minutes, but eventually it turned out to be 1 hour because I was so busy romanticizing the atmosphere and the environment that was up there on the terrace. And then I had a few calls to take out from my family, from my friends, and that is where an whole hour went by. And now, as you can see, I'm feeling too dizzy and I'm not at all in the condition to actually sit and write down my goals. And when you are too much exhausted and you have done so many things for the day, I guess it's better to go off to sleep after journaling. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm leaving and going to a very beautiful temple that I am going to show you in this video. So stay tuned, because that temple is heaven in Delhi, honestly. Good morning, guys. I'm all ready for today. All I'm supposed to do is some basic things like doing puja and putting on some sunscreen and a lip balm, comb my hair, and then we are good to go. It's such a beautiful morning, and I have put on this beautiful outfit. And let me tell you that this kurti that I'm wearing is from my startup Lootly, and if you don't already know about it, I'm gonna link it down below. Don't forget to check it out. And yes, contribute to it, because it is all about sustainable fashion. So yeah, it is 7:23 in the morning, and I will be heading out at 8 a.m. I just have to ring my friend, and we both are planning to meet at the Rajiv Chowk metro station. So I will be traveling from here, MG Road, to Rajiv Chowk first, and then from there we will be both going to Chandni Chowk. And let me tell you that we both are going to Sri Ladli Ji Maharaj temple. And even though, as I say it, I'm getting so much pleasure, I feel so much grateful that yeah, I had plans of going to Sheetla Mata Mandir, but I guess Radharani is the one who is calling both of us. And I researched about the temple, and that temple is so beautiful. So stay tuned, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section below if you would have ever heard about that temple in Chandni Chowk before.
station is Kidorni.
Niftyans on the loose. We do this. हनुमान जी का मंदिर है ये, आई गेस सो, कोई तो मंदिर है. Look at that. Kirite. This. सी हमारा वेलकम किसने किया है? हेलो ब्रो, थैंक्स.
दुख दर्द मिटाए जाते हैं पले पले याद याद भाई चिन चिन बहती पले दिखाए कब वो प्यारे थे तुम प्यारे करें मुझे हर को दिखाए.
This is 3,000 Tiara child.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Hello, I have my dinner right here. For dinner we have dal makhani and roti. So yeah, let's begin from the beginning. Yesterday was a great day, honestly. I went for a walk early in the morning, but it was not that early, but it was still early. Went for a walk with my roommate, enjoyed, came back, did everything that was there on my routine. Throughout this weekend, I made it a point to be on track of my schedule. I finished my video editing. It took me 8 to 9 hours to finish it. And when the time came to export that video, I realized that I have used the Adobe Stock Music, which had to be licensed. And then I went for a walk early in the morning today. I woke up at 5 a.m. I literally went out. I also had to withdraw some cash because I had to leave early for the temple today. And then I left. I went for a jog. I did jogging. I withdrew the cash. I came back romanticizing the whole way. Then I went to a park. I jogged there. I exercised. And then I came back. I got ready and then left for the temple. It took me around an hour to reach the temple, but the temple was so beautiful. I can't emphasize on the fact that how beautiful that premise of that temple was. And then after struggling for about 1.5 hours, romanticizing things yet struggling because it was a very tedious thing. It was a very strenuous job to travel all the way down from Gurgaon to Chandni Chowk, then Chandni Chowk to Rajiv Chowk to 52 sector Noida, and then from there changing to the Aqua Line and then traveling down to sector Knowledge Park to hell of a job, honestly. And then at last I had to leave. We had great fun over there. Auntie cooked such good food. I was literally craving for homemade food, and that's what I got there. And like, it was such a beautiful feeling. And then I left at around 6:30. Auntie and Swastika dropped me to the metro. And from there, I traveled down again. Aqua line, blue line, yellow line, back home, sitting in my bed, eating with you. Yeah, it was a really productive weekend, and my plans of making my vision board have been postponed to the next video. So if you want to see me making my vision board, doing all my goal planning for the next 6 months, stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get that video first of all when I upload it. And yeah, just stay tuned because I will be putting out more and more lifestyle content now. That is what I am aiming for. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like my video and do leave some beautiful comments, and don't forget to share with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll make sure that I give you even more content and entertainment in my next video. So I'll see you then. Bye bye.